Okay, so we're going to be doing the installation of the Dapper Lighting 575 headlights. So to start this off, the first thing that you need to do is, for the 70, pretty much all these quad headlights, you just need to take off the trim ring, that right there. Then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take off this retaining ring right here. I've already unscrewed that so that we can just take this, pull that out. This stuff has not been taken off in a long time. And then simply just unhook the headlight. It's a bit old. So we have our Sylvania halogen right there. Now that you have your headlight removed, what you need to do in the kit, there's going to be this wire, and since we're doing the there's going to be this harness. Since these are the high beams, you're going to need to use the 2-prong plug. So all you have to do is plug it into your factory harness. If I can tell which way is hot, I believe this is it. The light, it does have a top and a bottom, so make sure it's oriented in the where it says top. Now what you're going to do is, I already fed this in here and I already have the light connected to the harness. So what you're going to do is you're just going to orient it like that. It's a simple twist. So we have that right there. We're going to go and get this halo wire out of the way. And then what we're going to do is we're going to reinstall that trim ring. Once you have your light installed, the trim ring, it should not move around. You should not have to move your headlight bucket at all because it's supposed to stay stock. But once you're done with that, reinstall your trim ring. And look at that. That is a complete difference. Now, I'm gonna go and finish up the rest of the lights, and then we'll wire them up with the halos later. But yeah, that's pretty much on to the LED headlights. So, with the LED low beams, along with the regular connector that you have, you also have this driver. It's called the LED driver. The LED light driver. And that basically changes the voltage and the amperage to be able to work with the LED lights. So that just connects on to the back like you would with the halogen light. And you just shove that in, and then screw the LED in just like that. Slide it in, and by the way, it does not touch the battery. It has plenty of space for the battery. Now that you've got that in, then you'll go ahead and put your trim ring on and call it good. When you have your headlights in and you are routing the wires for the halos, you can actually run the wire through the headlight bucket, and then you can have a nice clean look and not have wires all over the place. Let's see, where's the top at? Alright, there's the top. And the trick to this is to make sure that they don't get hung up and they don't get pinched on anything. So yeah, it'll be just like that. And then when you put your retaining ring back on, which I'm trying to do this one-handed, and you'll see that when you run the halo wires up through the actual headlight bucket, if you have room. I'm lucky I had enough room. I don't know if you'd be able to do that with the switchbacks, but it creates a nice clean factory look, and nobody would be any the wiser. But as far as this goes, it's done. It's ready to go. And let me just fix up the face, and then I'll show you the finished product.